Thought it was interesting just to get commentary from the Winklevoss brothers, who are saying we are now in the depths of a crypto winter. This is this cyclical bear market that we often see playing out in asset classes, playing out in Bitcoin, playing out in cryptos in particular. Do you agree? Is this it? Is this the crypto winter?
And we're absolutely in a crypto winter right now, but I would actually describe this as an everything winter. It's not just cryptocurrencies, it's equities, even bonds are down. I think it's going to be a very difficult environment for many risk assets over the next few months and maybe even years.
So we've seen this movie before, but it seems like when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin in particular, it's a choose your own adventure because we just don't know how it's going to end. So how would you perhaps explain the forces that have forced Bitcoin down so significantly over the past few months?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, it really is a combination of a lot of different factors, but the main factor is the macroeconomic environment at the moment. So since October, the Fed has really, in the U.S., has been forcing down all asset prices. S&P has been down 20%, NASDAQ 30%, even bonds are down 6%. With Bitcoin down 50%, it's not that much of a surprise that all risk assets are selling off right here. And as long as the Fed is continuing to raise rates, to unwind the balance sheet, it's not just the U.S. Fed, it's other central banks around the world as well that are going to be forced into action to prevent inflation. It's going to be a really tough time for all risk assets, as well as probably cause a global recession.
Okay, so you're in the camp that we are on track for a recession, and I think that's interesting as well, particularly as we continue to see the Fed and other global central banks hiking interest rates in order to tame inflation. But when it comes to the overall price outlook here, you have suggested that we could perhaps see further declines to come. Your most recent call on Bitcoin now sits at 22,000 USD. Has that changed over the past couple of weeks? Because that would suggest significant downside from here.
Yeah, that's right. I don't think that outlook has changed much. As a matter of fact, it may even be solidified a little bit more. As you had mentioned, it looks like we actually closed for the first time in 9 weeks in the green for the week in Bitcoin, as with other crypto assets. However, this is probably a bull trap, and we expect prices to continue to grind down over the summer as the Fed continues to raise rates, as other central banks raise rates, probably all the way into the fall.